Hi, it's me, Shane, again from Dekiru English Academy with another slideshow for you. Boo 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 boo! Last time we said there is a, or there are some. So easy, there is a ball. A means one. There's one ball. There's a ball. But if there's two or three or four or five or more, say there are some balls. But we can break this into even more. For example, if there are just two balls, you say there are a couple of balls. A couple means two, like, a boy and a girl. A couple. They are a cute couple. So a couple means two. If there are three or four, say there are a few balls. If there are many, we say there are a lot of balls. Okay, it's easy. One, there is a ball. Two, there are a couple of balls. Three or four, there are a few balls. 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 there are some balls. And if there are many, 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 there are a lot of balls. That's all. Today is just a short and easy lesson. Okay? I'll see you next time. I'm Shane from Dekiru English Academy. Goodbye.